Name and group you represent.
My name is Kaomi and my group is Taupo Sama.
Name and group you represent.
Yarana ovaute ye Ivana moi no te pupu ori no no sina.
Say that one more time.
Yarana ovaute ye Ivana moi no te pupu ori no no sina. Pa'atere hia e Tatiana e Tapire Kiu Pau e Gram Estela no no sina
I am really sorry I asked her that question. I'm never going to ask that question to that young lady again. Wow. Judges ready? How did you believe?